Hello, what we're doing is we're showing you our shop, Data Image Tech. What we're also doing is we're showing you one of our custom computers. This is the talking computer. Pretty neat. Hello, how you doing? Talks back, see. What we're doing is 15 to 25% off any Sandy victim who lost an electronic to the storm, be it laptop, tower, anything that has to do with a repair. We will take 15 to 25% off of any Sandy victim. Just bring in proof that something happened to your stuff, and no need to explain. We will, that's what we need right here, a bottle of wine, all of us. And we will take 15% off to 25% off of any repair. Parts and labor, parts are not included. They can't be, as we have to buy them special, but installation, everything will be documented on your waiver form, and we will accomplish what needs to be done to your technical issues. Thank you. We're just trying to help, not trying to make a buck. We're losing money off of that, but we're just trying to give some people a break instead of the big chains. Maybe we can salvage some of your things.